Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for an SEO tool that transforms your website optimization process without breaking the bank? Dreams do come true. Today, we'll explore the Nytro SEO Lifetime Deal, a true game changer in digital marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a starting, you'll want to capitalize on this deal. Let's unpack how Nytro SEO works. What is Nytro SEO? Nytro SEO simplifies the SEO process by automatically generating and optimizing meta tags, including page titles, descriptions, image alt texts, and link anchor texts, finely tuned for key search terms. Forget about manual updates or costly SEO services. Nytro SEO is the modern way for professionals like us to enhance our online presence. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Regular pricing can be steep, but at AppSumo, you get this gem for only $59. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's check out all the features included in this deal so you can see all the tiers you can choose from AppSumo. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $59, initially valued at $276. This tier is suitable for one website with up to 80 keywords for SERP monitoring. One website, 80 keywords. SERP monitoring, 10 keywords promoting dynamic optimization. 500 web pages, 12 months of data retention. License Tier 2. Available as a one-time purchase of $169, initially valued at $732. This tier covers up to 5 websites and increases your keyword and web page capacity. 5 websites, 400 keywords, SERP monitoring, 80 max per website, 80 keywords promoting dynamic optimization, 20 max per website, 2,000 web pages, 500 max per website. License Tier 3. The premium offering, Tier 3, is available for a one-time purchase of $289, down from its original value of $1,320, suitable for managing 10 websites. 800 keywords, SERP monitoring, 160 keywords, promoting dynamic optimization, 3,000 web pages, 500 max per website. Limited time special pricing starting at $59. Pricing will increase soon. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to ensure it's right for you. 4 most important features that make Nytro SEO special. Automated meta tag generation. Say goodbye to manual updates. Let Nytro SEO optimize your meta tags automatically. Adaptive AI. No more fear of ranking drops. Nytro SEO identifies issues and adjusts them in real time. Dashboard metrics. Track keyword usage and meta tag relevance with ease. Integration power. Connect seamlessly with WordPress, Stripe, and AWS S2 tools. People who can benefit from Nytro SEO. Are you curious about who can leverage Nytro SEO? Marketers, marketing agencies, web design agencies, SEO consultants, business owners with multiple domains. If you fit the bill or know someone who does, dive into the world of Nytro SEO and experience the transformation. Grab an extra 10% off from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Nytro SEO lifetime deal at AppSumo? Great news! Extra 10% off alert. Here's how you can grab an additional 10% off. Visit AppSumo's Nytro SEO lifetime deal offer. Look for a discount pop-up. Enter your active email address. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. So why wait? Dive in and let those savings roll. Reviews of the Nytro SEO lifetime deal on AppSumo. Are you curious about what real users are saying about Nytro SEO? Let's dive into some genuine reviews and see the magic through their eyes. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. So, ready to automate your SEO and boost your site's performance? Explore Nytro SEO, check out the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.